Rob Doan here for Flange Wizard. Today I want to show you our new plasma chariot cutting guide. Quite a bit the same as our old chariot, but the key is with this new chariot we can now bevel. You no longer have to have a beveling yoke accessory. It will bevel on 22.5, 37.5, and 45 degrees. It locks in on those three beveling positions as well as 90 degrees straight down. As you can see, I got it set up to do circles right now, and in a minute I'm going to show you how to set it up to run along a straight edge. As I said, now I got her set up. I got the pivot pin out of here. I got your third wheel where the pivot pin used to be, and now I'm straddling a straight edge. You guys can have your own straight edge, and look at this, man. Nice and sweet. We gave you that third wheel to help hold your angle when you're beveling. It makes it nice, smooth. This new chariot comes in a nice carrying case here with the full setup you see here, your pivot pin, and an 11-inch extension rod. A couple tools that are bought in conjunction with our chariots, whether it's our plasma or conventional chariot, is our MSG230. That's our on and off magnetic blocks. You get two of them with a 24-inch stainless steel rail. Again, you straddle that rail and run our chariot right along there for a nice, smooth, sweet cut. Beveling or cutting on a 90 degrees. Alrighty, so with the setup you got, you could do up to like a 36-inch circle. But when you get to bigger circles, 4 or 5 feet, I do want to mention our magnetic base with the straight pin that is purchased quite a bit when you get into those bigger circles. All you do is drop this pivot pin out of there, and now you got a magnetic base, see? So if you're out there 4 or 5 feet, you don't have to worry about holding down that pivot pin or anything. You got a magnetic base, and it makes it nice and simple. One thing I do want to mention that's very important is to know the diameter here of your heat shield on your plasma torch, no matter what kind of brand you have. It would just help in the sale of the tool to get the closest tolerance to this bushing right here that will come with your tool. We have 4 different standard sizes. Even though there's 3 set screws to tighten it on to your torch here, we like to get you as close as we can with that tolerance. There is a chart on our website that lists a number of torches, but of course, you know, we can't keep up on a daily basis with that chart. So know your diameter to really help out when you purchase our plasma cutting guides.